Where are you from?
Norway.
Yes, first time in Vivian Hair Design, right? Yeah? Okay, guys, what do you want us to do for you?
I want my natural hair color back and a haircut.
Yeah, so she want me to cut her point, guys, and she want me to color her hair the natural hair color. As you see, this hair here is very light from the sun, and this is all blonde and very dry hair actually. And if we look here, you see it's very dark. So she want actually her natural hair color. She want to get rid of all this dry burnt hair. She want to go back to her hair color. So if I turn like that, you can see it's very dark, her own hair color. So we're going to change her hair. I'm going to show you like how is her hair now. Blonde and too much roots. And what's the reason you want to color dark?
I'm tired of my roots.
She's tired of her roots because every time she put highlight, she get roots. She don't like it anymore, and she want to have a lovely, nice change, right? Are you happy to be here?
Very.
Thank you very much for visiting us. So, guys, I'll come back later, unfortunately, back to show you the result because we're gonna go now, color her hair and do everything, and we will not be live. Yeah, so I will say now, stay with us. I'll post later the end result. By now, we'll say to you, bye-bye. Yes, so she had blonde hair, if you see before, and now we are changing her hair color. She was very blonde. She didn't like it. She want to go back to her own hair color. So I'm gonna explain you what I did here. She was very blonde here. So before we color any hair, when somebody have blonde hair, we put first the pigment in the hair. So we put at first the pigment, and now we are waiting. We're gonna wait 10 minutes till the pigment go inside her hair, and then we will color her hair. As you see, all the blonde is changing to more natural hair. When you have blonde hair, the hair is empty, there's no color in it. So put first pigment in the hair. I don't know if you can see the color. You can see it's a little bit darky. And my girl is here. We are waiting for the result. So after 10 minutes, we're gonna put her the real color and we will show it to you. So are you like happy with that by now? She's happy by now, so we're gonna wait to see the result. We'll say to everybody, you wanna say something? No, she don't wanna say nothing. So we're gonna wait 10 minutes, guys, then we're gonna put out the color. We'll come back to you. We'll say now,
Bye.
goodbye. Hi, Tirio from Norway. Hi. We are still here busy with her hair. Let me show you. So you see that she had a blonde, very, very dark roots and very blonde hair, and she didn't like it. And for today, she want to have a change. She want to go back to her own hair color. Actually, yeah. So what we did was we put her first the color, that's the pigment what she was. There was no pigment in her hair, it was blonde. So first we put her the pigment, and after 10 minutes, we wait here. We put her now the natural color, actually her own hair color. As you see, guys, I don't know if you can see it, all the blonde disappeared. And the color is going very fast in her hair to stay natural. So this color will last her for a very long time. She don't need to color, she will not have roots so easy, because we are putting her own hair color. So I'm really happy she's with us today. First time. Thank you for visiting us. By now, when you look at the color, are you happy?
Very happy.
She's very happy by now, guys. So later, after we wash the color and we blow dry it, we're gonna show you the result. I'm really happy to be here with her. Thank you for trusting us, yeah, being with us. We'll say to everybody, see you later.
Bye.
We just wash her hair. This is the result. We put her natural color here in her hair. So she had very, very blonde hair. She didn't like it. She want to go to the natural hair. It's just wet. I just washed her hair. It's amazing, lovely, nice color. So we're going to cut her hair now, and then we'll blow dry it. When it's dry, I will show it to you. And I wish you can see it. Like, it's really natural color. It's her own hair color by now. Are you happy?
Very happy.
Thank you so much. Okay, guys, we see you later. After the haircut, we say
Bye.
with my girl today. This is the result of her hair. Yeah, let me show you. I don't know if you remember, she had very too much dark root and she had all blonde hair. She didn't like it. She want to change it. She didn't want to have blonde anymore. She want to go to her own natural color, and that's what we did. As you see, we first put her the pigment in the hair, in the blonde hair, and then we colored her hair. As you see, this is the result. Amazing, lovely color from there to here. Perfect coloring we did for my girl. This one here, I really love it. I wish you can see the color in the camera. That's why I put this white cap so you can see it. It's amazing, beautiful from here till there is just one color. It's really beautiful. I really like it. So I'm gonna take the cap here so you can see the color better. Could you hold the camera, please? Just like this. Stay like that, yeah? You see yourself? Let me take the cap so everybody can see the total color of your hair. Oh my God, that's amazing. Okay, guys, so we took the cap, so now you can see the real natural color we did for her hair. Look at her hair. Amazing, lovely, nice color for my model today from Norway. Natural color. See, if I go like back, you can see it better. Look at the color, guys. Look at her hair. So if somebody comes with very bleached hair with roots like that, first put pigment in the hair and then color her hair with the color they wanted. Look at her hair. I really love it. To be honest, I'm really happy she come to us. We colored her hair. It's beautiful, nice, shiny, amazing. We used in her hair the Silk Protein, Vivian Glamour, and Vivian Impossible Anti-Freeze hair. So I'll ask her, thank you for visiting us today. How do you feel the change color from blonde to this color? Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Yes, are you happy with the color?
Yes,
Yeah.
very.
Can you turn the chair so everybody can see you? Yes, look at it, guys. Turn more. See, the color is amazing, natural, beautiful color, like she never colored her hair. So amazing. Please, can you turn more the chair? Like round. Yes, look at her hair, guys. Look at her hair. Amazing, beautiful. Yes, love. So turn more. Like more. See, it doesn't look like she ever colored her hair. So natural, so beautiful. Yes. Yeah, beautiful. Turn more, please. Turn more. Yeah. Yeah, amazing. Look at, guys. This is the color. I really love it. Shiny, beautiful, nice color. So I will say to my girl today, thank you so much for visiting us here in Vivian Hair Design. Thank you. And do you want to say anything to everybody there in the world? She don't know, guys. Are you happy with the hair?
I'm very happy with the
She's
hair.
very happy with the hair. I'm very happy she come to visit us here in Vivian Hair Design. First time changing her hair color from blonde hair to a natural color. Like I say, like you can see. I wish you can see it, guys, because in real time, it's really beautiful. Usually camera doesn't show the real hair color, but I really love it. And she is happy. Yes. Thank you. We say to everybody, thank you. Bye-bye.